Mkhwanazi is a former special forces policeman, high ranking. And the camouflage you saw yesterday is the camouflage of the special forces. And they carry heavy arms. And police do appear in different regalia. And that is their uniform too. I remember Minister Fikile, when he was still General of the Police, he used to change from TRUT and then to camouflage special forces when he was the General of the Police. So police can appear in whatever regalia. So I think yesterday in the press conference, the appearance seek to communicate a particular message in a particular way in this regard, but that regalia in itself belongs to the police. So that is the special task forces, not the army. So in this particular regard, I've seen that there are people who have questioned why that mode, but General Mkhwanazi said that they are in the combat mode in the fight against crime. So in the fight against crime, the combat mode means fighting dangerous criminals. That is combative, meaning we're putting our foot down. So that's what he was communicating, following with the statement that is made, not me. So the combative mode was accompanied by the appearance that we mean business as idlali. That's what that appearance seeks to signify. Whether you disagree with it or not, that's it. We have had a whole debate in the country about not just regalia, but about the ranks of the police. Is it correct for police to be called generals?